Hello, I'm Dr. Saida Rukshida. I'm a psychiatrist. I'm based here in Mumbai, India. Welcome to Stars Meet Heroes, where we get our brilliant stars, our currently out of work stars, to come and meet with our young heroes, our COVID warriors, our young doctors who are shouldering the entire burden of our health system on their shoulders. So, on behalf of the medical fraternity and all our friends and families, we welcome Shreyas Talpade. Hi, Shreyas.
Hello,
Hello, sir. Hello.
hello.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi, sir.
okay, guys. So I'm Shreyas, and you must have probably seen me in some films, or maybe some of the streets in Nagpur as well. Sometime. I'm just joking. Anyways, let's. Why don't you guys introduce yourself and tell me your names and where you are right now, where you're from?
So you want to start, Ria? You want to start by saying hello?
Hi, sir. Hi, everyone. I'm Dr.
Hi.
Ria Sabu. I'm from
Hi, Ria.
GMC Nagpur Medicine. My medicine is my department, and I'm really very happy to meet a star first time in my life. So, hi, Shreya sir.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. You both are doing a wonderful job, and we are very happy seeing
Actually,
many of the people.
if anybody is doing a wonderful job, it's you guys right now. We are doing nothing. Trust me.
I think because of the cyclone, all of us are having a little bit of a net issue. But I'm going to hope that most of us can hear us and see us. And somebody else wants to come in and say hi. Neelkant Shinde, I see you here. Come say hello.
Yes. Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Hi, Shreyas, sir.
Hi. Just call me
Hi.
Shreyas, sir.
Yeah, I'm
Forget
Neelkant Shinde.
that. Hi, Neelkant.
Hi, I'm from Nashik, basically. Yeah,
Acha.
I'm doing MD anesthesiology. I'm second year resident, JR2. And
Okay.
it's really nice. I'm just pleased to meet you. I'm so happy. I'm also meeting Star for the first time in my life. And really, I would like to thank the coronavirus, that I'm able to meet you. I don't know. I wouldn't have got such an opportunity. I'm so happy. Thank you.
Yeah. No, pleasure meeting you. Pleasure meeting you, Neelkant.
Yeah.
Yes. Who's
Asif?
next? Yes.
Asif Patel. Okay, whoever's there, just jump in.
Hi, Shreyas.
Boy.
Hi, everyone. My name is Mohit Khare. I'm JR2 in Department of Medicine at GMC Nagpur. I'm from MP actually, but I've done my graduation from KEM Mumbai.
Okay.
So I think it's a great opportunity for all of us to get a chance to interact with you, Shreyas, especially. This is the first time opportunity for all of us. So thank you very much, and let's see how it goes.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Please, they're putting you on notice. Let's see how it goes. So you have no pressure, huh, Shreyas? This is the first star that they're meeting ever. तो तुम पे कोई pressure नहीं है.
हाँ, मैं भी पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ इन सबको, तो कोई pressure नहीं है, कोई tension नहीं है. But who else is there if they can, I can't. I think Pradyumna is trying to say something. Your mic is on mute.
Hi, Shreyas.
Hi, Pradyumna. Yes.
Hi, Shreyas. This is Dr. Pradyumna, junior resident first year from the Department of ENT, GMC Nagpur.
Okay.
It's a pleasure to see you, to interact with you personally on this online platform. बचपन में जब वो film देखी, so I was like, okay, कभी star से मिलना हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा, and today it's that wish which has come true. It's really
ये सडनली आपने जो बोला ना, बचपन में वो फिल्म देखी, इससे अचानक मुझे बहुत बुढ़ा हो गया. बिफोर वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, इससे एक किस्सा बताता हूँ आपको, है ना. हम लोग जब ये इसी से बचपन से लेके हम लोग जब ओम शांति ओम शूट कर रहे थे, so all of us used to have lunch together, me, Shahrukh, Farah, Deepika, Sometimes Arjun used to be there. So all of us used to have lunch together. And one of our very first lunch meetings, हमने ऐसी दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएगी की बात छिड़ी. फरहान ने कुछ बोल दिया तो हम लोग उस पर बात कर रहे थे. And suddenly, Deepika ने बोला, yeah, I remember I was in 8th standard when I saw that film, and I was so happy, and all friends, we had gone together, and me and Shahrukh, we were looking at each other. Shahrukh said, shut up, you're not going to speak a word about this.
Don't want to feel old anymore.
No, exactly. Actors, actors are, they don't want to be old ever.
Yeah.
They want to remain young always. That's why we come to
But-
doctors for all the surgeries.
Yes, by the way, Shreyas sir, talking
Yeah.
about Om Shanti Om, today on TV, Om Shanti Om was there.
Really?
मतलब शुरू थी, yeah. So मैंने मेरी मम्मी को बोला, अरे देखो वो जो एक्टर है ना, श्रेयस तलपड़े, मैं आज उनको देखने वाली हूँ, उनसे मिलने वाली. तो she was like, really? बोले, yeah, there is. So thank you so much, sir.
No, pleasure, always a pleasure. Yes, who's next? Dr. Atharva.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Hi. I am Dr. Atharva Chintamar, JR2 Medicine Department from NKP Sarve Medical College, Nagpur. Sir, this is the first
Okay.
time meeting this staff. So, hi.
Hi. Where are you from, basically?
Yeah, hi.
Which state do you belong to? You're from Maharashtra? Where are you from?
Maharashtra only. Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Chandrapur, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Recently, in fact, I had gone to Gadchiroli, to the university over there
Okay,
in
yeah.
Gadchiroli. What a lovely place. I
Yeah.
loved that place, actually.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful place over there,
Oh, yeah.
Gadchiroli. Very far, but
Yeah. So,
beautiful
have you
place.
visited Tadoba there? Yeah.
No, not. In fact, I had gone for one university event. There was one youth festival happening over
Yeah.
there. So I'd gone to that.
Gondwana University.
Gondwana University, yes.
Okay.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Anyways, lovely to have you guys here. Yes, Dr. Advaryu Kuthe, right?
Yeah,
Am I pronouncing your name right? I think there's some network issue with him, probably. Then there's Dr. Nilkant Bhime, Dr. Asif Patel.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm working at Department of Medicine at IDMC Nagpur.
Okay. Can you be a little louder, please? Okay, I can see one more doctor behind you.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
I can see one more doctor bombing your frame.
Yeah. He's Rajat. He's also in the frame.
Okay. Where are you from, Asif?
I'm basically from Latur. I'm working in the Department of Medicine at IDMC Nagpur.
लातूर, हा?
Yeah. Yeah.
देशमुखांच्या गावचे तुम्ही.
हो.
बर. चांगलंय. त्यांनाही आम्ही सांगणार आहोत यायला या प्लॅटफॉर्म वर.
हो. आता आमचे मिनिस्टर पण आहेत ना. मेडिकल एज्युकेशन.
करेक्ट.
आलते ते.
हो का? अच्छा. चलो, good. Then there's Dr. Priyal Patil. बोला पाटील, काय म्हणताय? आवाज, you're on mute, darling. You'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Priyal, you will.
Hello.
Now we can hear you. Yes.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Hi, my name is Dr. Priyal Patel. I'm from Pune. Right now, I'm studying in Nagpur. I'm a second-year resident from ENT department.
Okay. You're from Pune, basically, huh?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Lovely place. All right. Super. Anybody else? Or have we? There's Dr. Rajat.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Hi.
This is Rajat from IDVMC Nagpur. Basically,
Okay.
I'm from Thane only. I stay at Binder. I know you stay at Thane.
Yeah. No, I stay in Andheri. My
Hey.
Sasural is in Thane.
Okay, okay. Actually, I've seen many times in Thane.
Yeah. क्या करे? I'm there since 2000 in Thane
Okay,
regularly,
okay.
almost every day. Yeah. So where in Thane do you stay?
Actually, I stay at Bhangar. My UG is from Shivaji Hospital, Talwa.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Super
And
lovely.
yeah,
Yeah. Sorry,
and
you were saying something.
I'm a first year resident at Obs Gynae, the delivery guy.
Oh. Okay. Okay. I was in fact, and in our last session, someone asked me if I had to be a doctor, then who would I be? And I said probably a gynaec. And he told me, no, probably when you get to know, you won't want to really be a gynaec. But anyways, good to have you guys here. Super, very good. And thank you, Rukshida, for getting us all together. So tell me, guys, how you feeling? How's it going? I know it's very, very stressful for all of you, right? In fact, in our last session, we said that आजकल फिल्मों का जो माहौल चल रहा है उसमें सब लोग ट्रू स्टोरीज कर रहे हैं, बायोपिक्स कर रहे हैं. तो मैं रुक्षिदा को बोल रहा था अभी ये कोरोना के बाद में बहुत सारे डॉक्टर पे बहुत सारी फिल्में बनने वाली है.
Totally.
So,
There are a lot of stories.
Yeah, I'm sure there are a lot of inspiring stories, I'm sure. So
काफी
ये post कोरोना तो अगले कुछ 4-5 साल तो ये चलता रहेगा. इवन हमारी फिल्मों में, कहानियों में indirectly, directly, corona is going to be a huge part of our stories. But tell me, what is that? Of course, हम लोग बोल रहे कोरोना हो गया, बैंड बज गई. What do you think is one positive that has come out of corona? I'll tell you one positive that has happened in my life. Okay, the positive that happened is कि मैं ये कोरोना होने से पहले हम लोग सब भाग रहे थे. Okay, पिक्चर चल रही है, OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे कुछ चल रहा है, फलाना ढिमकाना चल रहा था. And somehow I was not getting enough time to spend with my little daughter. She just turned 2 this year, 2 साल की हो गई. So I was not getting enough time to spend with her. But ये कोरोना के वजह से जो 3 महीने में घर पे हूँ, I got to spend so much time with her. She got to know me better. I got to know her nicely. So I think for me, that's a big positive that happened. What do you think is your positive that must have?
Yeah, well, I think Corona has given acknowledgement to the efforts of doctors and nurses, healthcare as a whole.
Absolutely.
Efforts which they have been putting through all these years, but Corona just unearthed it.
Absolutely, because I think ये मतलब this is unprecedented. किसी को पता ही नहीं कि ये क्या चीज है, क्या होने वाला है. And to fight that without knowing the enemy, to fight it is a huge deal. So that's the reason stars meet heroes. You guys are true heroes there, and to big salute to all of you for doing whatever you guys are doing. ये impossible को possible करके दिखाया आप लोगों ने. ये वैसा वाला मामला है. But anyway, yes. Anybody else?
Yes.
Anybody else wants to say?
One more positive thing which has happened with COVID is that it has brought us all together. Basically, like many of us didn't have any time for ourselves also. Now people have started spending time with their family, and it has given us a kind of a, what do we say, एक stop phase आता है ना life में, where everything stops and there's nothing. So the people have started thinking more about themselves, self-realization, and some things like observation, and of course family, it matters a lot. So people have started understanding that much.
Yes, and acknowledging their families. जो बीच में थोड़ा सा factor missing हो गया.
It has given us the insight. It's given us the insight of what we really are. क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था, इतना ज़्यादा हेक्टिक ड्यूटी होता था तो खुद के लिए टाइम नहीं मिल पाता था. अभी जब टाइम मिला तब रियलाइज हुआ, ओके दिस वाज आई, ये चीजें मैंने छोड़ दी थी बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट्स. अभी आई हैव टू गेट बैक टू दोस हॉबीज, दोस थिंग्स लाइक people have started working out, taking care of their health. They've picked up their guitar after 5 to 6 years to rehearse their favorite song.
Do you also play any instrument?
No, we have a friend who plays lots of instruments.
Yeah, lots of instruments and very talented.
Who, Mohit, is it?
Yeah.
So Mohit, do you have any instrument with you right now which you can play for us?
I
Can we
might
sing a
have a
song?
harmonica.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. Is it closer to you? You can get it now immediately, or
Yeah, it's there, on the shelf. Should I get it?
yes, yes, please, yeah. Of course, we would love to hear something from you.
Okay. Uh, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yeah.
very.
Okay.
टैप टू स्पीक पे बात कर सकते
I just play the Friends theme song. I think everybody is aware of that music.
Oh yes, 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 absolutely. We love it.
Friends.
We love it. Go for
Just
it.
attempt that.
Go for it.
Okay, let's try. That's it.
Superb!
Yeah.
Huge round of
Super,
applause.
super.
क्या बात है,
Lovely,
very good,
lovely.
yeah.
We have one more
There
guitar
are
player
other
with us.
instruments as
Dr.
well.
Neelkant sir. Dr. Neelkant.
Yes.
Yes. Neelkant.
Okay.
He plays wonderful
Dr.
guitar.
Neelkant.
He plays wonderful
Also,
guitar.
He's a,
He
Dr.
sings
he's a
also very
rapper.
well.
He's a rapper. He
Hello?
raps songs.
He
Yeah, he
sings
sings.
also
My
very well.
God.
Yeah, he is a
Yes.
rapper,
yes,
right? Right.
Hugely talented fellows, yeah.
Yeah,
आप लोग के
we
पेट पे
can
लात
make a
मत मारो.
can make a movie
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
Everyone, yeah. We have
all
director.
of you put together. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, all of you guys put together, we can make one film. You please, yeah,
We have a
seriously,
whole band here.
Based film.
yes, sir.
bunch of talent you guys have, yeah, seriously. Okay, Neelkant, Dr. Neelkant, go
Yes.
for it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but I can see the screens are blank. Okay, fine. I can see now. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, kind of I rap a lot. Okay. जिंदगी ये कारवां ये सिलसिला जो रुकता ना गिरता पड़ता उठ के फिर से चलता मैं अभी रुकता ना इस गली से उस गली में लगती नाकाबंदी वहां के बंदे लाफे झड़ते माँ पे गाली जब भी पड़ती मुझको जानते हैं हर गली में चल पड़ेगी जिंदगी माँ बोलेगी आजा बेटा तू है मेरा राजा बेटा सब जगेंगे उस सवेरे रात काली बीती जा तब लगेगी व्हाट्सएप की नेजी बाज लौट आए शादी वाले लिखने का सब पॉजिटिव थॉट आए गाने वाले बेचने का महान में तू कौन भाई बात माने ठीक वरना मान खुद में जॉब पाए जिंदगी को जीले वरना 4 दिन में मौत आए बहुत आए बहुत गए मेरा खाना खाए चिल चाहिए गिदड़ को ये कौवा करे काय काय हेलो मेरे मतलब का तो चलो वरना बाय बाय न्यूयॉर्क में बॉम्बे बॉम्बे ओजी मेरा भाई भाई तेरे शाने जैसे जाते ऊपर आते नीचे ज्यादातर ये लोग करे बातें पीछे थैंक यू
Wow.
ओ तेरी क्या बात है,
lovely, lovely,
अरे
lovely.
क्या प्रोफेशन चुन लिया यार. गलती से आगे गलती से आगे उधर नागपुर से भेज दो भाई, नागपुर से भेजो इनको वापस मुंबई भेजो, इधर जरूरत है हम लोग को.
Rap songs.
परमिट काट के भेजते हैं नीलकंठ सर का.
आउटस्टैंडिंग यार दोस्त नीलकंठ, सुपर्ब,
Thank you,
really
sir.
nice.
Called rap cunt.
थैंक यू या थैंक यू सर
बहुत जबरदस्त, बहुत जबरदस्त. जैसे हम लोग का एक और सेशन जो हुआ था, रुक्षिता को मैंने बोला था एक और बंदा है जो बहुत अच्छी शायरी लिखता है. So I said, lyrics के लिए we've got one rapper also who can write and he can sing as well, and he can compose as well his own music, right? You compose your own music also, right, Neelkant?
यस आई wrote
सुपर. तो कोई ऐसा है जो एक्चुअली एक्टर बनने वाला था और गलती से डॉक्टर वहाँ पे बन गया? ऐसे भी
मैंने ऐसे सोचा था सर, बट कभी-कभी ऐसे
प्रद्युमन
सोचती
is
थी
an actor.
गलती से डॉक्टर बन गए.
अच्छा, कौन प्रियल, सॉरी किसने बोला था अभी? प्रियल.
Pradyuman is a very good actor.
अच्छा, रियली? चलो प्रद्युमन, आज ऑडिशन का टाइम है.
आज वो जब रंग दे बसंती आई थी सर, वो तब भी मैं छोटे ही था.
आज तो छोटा ही था
रंग दे
मेरे भाई,
बसंती
तू छोटा ही है, बड़े तो हम लोग हो गए.
एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. तो रंग दे बसंती, रंग दे बसंती देख के ऐसा लगा था कि अगर कोई एक फिल्म जो मुझे करने का मन हुआ, जिसके लिए मैं मेहनत करना चाहूंगा, दैट विल बी रंग दे बसंती. आमिर खान का एक्टिंग. और अभी रिसेंटली मतलब मैं एज अ प्रोफेशनल एक्टर की तरह एक्ट नहीं करता हूँ, मैं कॉपी करता हूँ एक्टर्स को। तो
Okay.
अभी आमिर खान का जो सीन था जब वो लोग प्रोटेस्ट करके आ रहे होते हैं एंड प्रोटेस्ट में उनको लाठी चार्ज होती है, तब आमिर खान हताश हो जाता है कि अपनी कोई औकात ही नहीं है, और वो वाला सीन मेरे को काफी पसंद है पर्सनली। तो
Okay.
थोड़ा सा वो करके दिखाऊंगा मैं अगर
Sure,
आप
sure, go
लोग
for it.
अच्छा
मैं एक मिनट पहले माहौल बनाते हैं थोड़ा। Okay, lights ready, guys?
Yo.
Okay,
Yo.
start sound, lights, camera, and action.
साला हम जैसे कोई औकात ही नहीं है यार। अजय जैसे लाखों मर जाए ना, फिर भी इनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला। लाखों मर रहे हैं और मरते रहेंगे। अजय एक बहुत अच्छा बेटा था, एक अच्छा पायलट, एक अच्छा दोस्त, फिर भी उसके साथ उसने कभी किसी का कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा था यार, कभी किसी का कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा था, फिर भी उसके साथ ही। और अपनी सोनिया, अपनी बच्ची यार। ओके सो दैट वाज इट। ये थोड़ा सा सीखा था मैंने।
Oh.
क्या बात है यार, सीरियसली मतलब ना, मैं खाली यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ कि चलो कोई गाना हो जाए, एक्टिंग हो जाए, ओके, और तुम लोग धड़ाधड़ इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हो। गलती से मेरे को मत बोल देना किसी का ऑपरेशन चल ऑपरेशन करके दिखा। ओके, मैं चिकन का ऑपरेशन करके दिखा सकता हूँ, उतना ही आता है। बट सुपर्ब यार, सीरियसली गाइस। तो आप लोग कभी मतलब हॉस्पिटल्स में ऐसा कुछ एनुअल डे टाइप का ऐसा कुछ इवेंट होता है जहाँ आप लोग परफॉर्म करते हो, गाने वाने गाते हो?
Yeah, totally. We do have cultural events. Yeah.
ऐसे कल्चरल इवेंट्स कुछ होते हैं मतलब?
Yeah,
Yes,
cultural
yes,
events
yes.
होते हैं.
होते हैं।
Not in hospital.
No, I mean,
It's in the college.
College, yeah, correct.
College
College
campus.
में आप लोग
College
करते हो?
campus.
GFC रहते हैं।
नहीं, मोहित उधर भी ना बोल रहा है, वहाँ पे भी नहीं हुए मोहित कॉलेज में?
सर मोहित,
क्या? सॉरी, आई कांट हियर यू। हेलो?
अपॉर्चुनिटीज कम होती है।
कम होती है अपॉर्चुनिटीज, आई नो। नहीं, बट सीरियसली we have a couple of our actor friends who are basically doctors, थोड़े कुछ सीनियर्स है, मराठी इंडस्ट्री में है, डॉक्टर गिरीश ओक जैसे है,
गिरीश ओक,
तो या मोहन आगाशे वैसे है। सो बट होता क्या है ना, एक हमारी मेंटालिटी होती है हर किसी की, नॉर्मल जो बंदे होते हैं, जो डॉक्टर्स नहीं होते, कि कोई भी कहीं पार्टी वार्टी में भी हम लोग जाते हैं ना, और कोई अगर डॉक्टर मिल जाए, कह रहे ये डॉक्टर है, डॉक्टर, हम लोग को फटाक से कोई ना कोई बीमारी हो जाती है, और हम लोग उनको, अच्छा डॉक्टर जरा सुनिए, कान दर्द कर रहा है, सर्दी के लिए मैं क्या करूं? आई एम श्योर ये अभी कोरोना के बाद जब भी लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, द मोमेंट वी स्टेप आउट, you guys are going to get bombarded with 10,000 questions, डॉक्टर ये इम्यूनिटी के लिए
Sorry to
We are getting bombarded every day, actually.
Every day.
Immunity
Every day we get so many calls.
I'm sure. Don't you get fed up? Like there must be ऐसा एक होता होगा ना कि आप लोग भी थोड़े ऐसे फ्रस्ट्रेट होते होंगे कि यार बस करो अभी, नहीं होता होगा, बट ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे मत बोलना। No, but what seriously कुछ
Initially we used to get fed up with all these things, but later आदत हो गई. But
हाँ सर, starting the
Yeah.
residency is a very tough, kind of very hectic schedule रहता है सर. First year is
Yeah.
very tough, and so initially we feel like we are tired a lot and all, बहुत जल्दी थक जाते हैं and all, but afterwards we get used to it, and the 3 years course.
you understand others' point of view.
Yeah.
स्टार्टिंग
No,
में
but
ऐसा
it's
लगता
tough.
है कि ऐसे कितना टाइम लगता है सर उसमें, कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि हमको देख के बीमारी आती है कि हम डॉक्टर है कि कोई पैथोलॉजिक है ऑर्गेनिज्म
बट अलग अलग तरीके के लोग आते होंगे यार, मतलब कुछ लोग भड़कते होंगे, तो कुछ लोग मतलब उतना प्यार भी देते होंगे, रिस्पेक्ट भी देते होंगे. The kind of people that you meet every day, day in, day out, and उसमें just to keep your calm and just focus on your work is a tough job, especially in this scenario where it is so chaotic. हम लोग किसी को कुछ पता नहीं, and everybody is expecting the best. तो especially उसमें of course कुछ VVIPs भी आते होंगे जो they might be expecting some preferential kind of treatment.
Yes.
Of course.
VVIPs थोड़ा ज़्यादा difficult होता है tackle करना compared to the normal public.
Normal.
Normal public को
seriously.
समझा सकते हैं, but VVIP people it's very difficult.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो तो मतलब खास ही होते हैं ना, उनके दिमाग में तो वो वैसे कि भाई हमको बीमारी हो गई है, अभी ट्रीट करो, it's like that. So yeah, I'm sure. But anyways, और कोई हमारे, कोई शायर, कोई म्यूजिशियन, कोई गायक, कोई एक्टर जो, अच्छा मैं एक और पूछना चाहूंगा कि लाइक हम लोग बोल रहे थे कि फिल्में बनेंगी, तो आपकी लाइफ के ऊपर अगर कोई फिल्म बनाना चाहे तो आप क्या चाहेंगे, कौन सा एक्टर वो प्ले करे आपका पार्ट?
I would say Amir Khan. That would be so confident, but yeah, Amir Khan.
Amir Khan. Yeah, you have those kind of features, sort of. Kajol.
I would say Kajol. I really love her. She is
I would say
wonderful
Sanjay Dutt.
actually, in person type also.
Okay.
I would say Sanjay
And
Dutt.
Who's that? Sorry.
The guy
Who's
that
saying?
The delivery guy.
Oh. ये संजय दत्त.
कोई नेगेटिव रोल चाहिए क्या?
Okay, Sanjay Dutt.
I would
All
want KK Menon.
KK Menon. Nice. Who's that? Sorry यार, समझ में नहीं आ रहा कौन बोल रहा
Yeah, KK Menon here. Pradyuman.
है. Pradyumna. Okay, KK Menon. Okay, I'll tell KK about this. Good. So we have Kajol, Amir Khan, Sanjay Dutt, KK Menon. Nobody from the younger lot. Your Varun Dhawan and Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh. Okay, Ranveer Singh. And you, Dr. Aniket.
Niket.
So what is it?
Yeah. What about you, sir?
Me, yes, I would like some good actor to play my part as well.
Which one would that be, sir?
Well, we'll have to really not look that far. Anybody who can at least say his line. That's what I do. I don't act. I just say my lines.
I don't agree.
No, Shreyas, that is just
Yes.
completely fishing for compliments.
Yeah, you're right. Yes,
You are.
Exactly.
You got it, Rukshuda. You caught me red-handed.
No, but on a serious note, Shreyas is one of my most favorite actors. You give him his comic timing is brilliant. You give him a serious role. You give him a sincere role. You give him like a chunt role. Any character, he just gets into it. It's a pleasure to watch him on screen. And he's such a lovely human being. We can all see it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Like Rukshita said, you give him any role. The problem is nobody's giving me any role.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, that won't be the thing, man.
Yeah, really, I would like to share something, sir. Yeah.
Yeah,
sir.
please.
Yeah, means like somehow आप इतने हमारे life के part बन जाते हो. Like the movies you make and the movies. I'm a movie goer. I'm a movie buff. So
Okay.
I know. So
Okay.
like I would like to share one incident that when I got an MBBS like UG when I got an admission. So our whole family, whole year I wasn't watching any movies and I was just studying. But the moment I got an MBBS, at that moment your Om Shanti Om was released, and the entire family went to watch that movie. So
Wow.
even in my memories, whenever I see, I watched Om Shanti Om in that
Wow.
moment.
Wow.
So
No.
it makes you're kind of indirectly, you must be not knowing it, but you are a part of memories and a life. Yeah. So it's
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it's a
No,
great
actually,
memory I have.
films, do make a certain kind of an impact. I remember in 2005, मेरी पहली film इकबाल release हुई थी, and there was one kid he was in school at that point in time. He came and he met me and he said, "Bhaiya, I really liked your film, and I want to become a doctor. And after watching this film, I'm so inspired. I'm definitely going to become a doctor." And some a few years later, maybe around 8, 10, 12 years later, I met him. After 12 years, I met him. In the sense, he only recognized. He came and he met me and he said, you might not recognize me, but I had met you after watching your film Iqbal, and I told you that I'll become a doctor, and today I am a doctor. So thanks to that particular film of yours, which inspired. So I guess you never know आपकी कौन सी चीज कौन सा किसको कहाँ टच कर जाए, and the kind of work that you guys are doing right now, इतनी दुआएं लेके आप लोग चल रहे हो right now. क्या करोगे इतनी दुआओं का, क्या करोगे आप लोग? इतनी अच्छी दुआएं सारे लोग दे रहे हैं. डॉक्टर्स तो
बहुत मार भी खाई सर पहले. बहुत मार खाई.
शायद ये हमारे अच्छे दिन हैं अभी.
नहीं अभी going forward सिर्फ अच्छे दिन हैं.
Really we appreciate.
Yes. So like again, one of the positives of Corona, yeah.
Yeah, we are meeting you because of Corona.
Meeting you.
Yes. अच्छे दिन है आगे. Going forward, of course, doctors, like you said, we were always were respected. But what you guys are doing now is unbelievable, phenomenal stuff. So, मतलब जितनी बार भी आप लोग को सलाम करूं वो कम है. Anyways, yes, मैं अकेला ही बहुत बोल रहा हूँ. बाकी आप लोग बोलो यार. ये प्लेटफॉर्म आज आप लोग के बोलने के लिए, मैं ही बोले जा रहा हूँ.
जब से कोरोना आया है, एटलीस्ट डॉक्टर्स हैव समथिंग टू डू. So we are amazed कि बाकी लोग लॉकडाउन में इतना बोर हो रहे होंगे, घर पे कर क्या रहे हैं. What you are doing?
अरे मैं अभी ये रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है, नहीं तो मैं मेरी तोंद दिखा देता. तोंद जो बढ़ रही है ना, मतलब ये वर्कआउट has gone for a toss. Okay.
श्रेयस, झाड़ू पक्का करने से तोंद चली जाती है.
हाँ, I know रुक्षिता.
वैसे भी अभी घर पे मेड्स तो आ नहीं रही है किसी के भी, तो सबके घर में काम बढ़ ही गया है.
मुंबई में तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है.
उतना ही कर रहे. अरे
सब मूवी स्टार्स को काम करना पड़ रहा है.
सबको आप लोग देख रहे हो ना वीडियोस. कोई बर्तन मांज रहा है, कोई कर रहा है. मेरा भी एक है ऐसे झाड़ू मारने वाला वीडियो. बट रुक्षिता, जस्ट टू टेल यू, ये लॉकडाउन के समय की बात नहीं है. ये तो मेरे घर पे हमेशा चलता रहता है. रुक्षिता is a very dear friend of my wife.
कोशिश मत करो.
So
अब मेरे सामने मत बोलो तुम.
So नहीं यार, हम लोग भी घर पे एक्चुअली बैठ के ना बोर हो गए. And it's easier and it's okay to say that you got to keep thinking positive. Don't worry, this is going to end. But especially for our generation, all of us, we are so used to running and doing certain things. Just to forget all of that and sit home is a difficult time. But yes, we're trying to do something or the other, trying to learn something, trying to write something. And honestly, दिन कम पड़ जाता है. मतलब there are so many things that you can actually do that आपको लगता है कि यार थोड़ा टाइम कम पड़ गया. And good part is, all of us have started thinking something else also. जो one track mind चल रहा था ना, तो उससे थोड़ा हटके हम लोग थोड़ा सा कुछ और भी सोच रहे हैं. Because even in films, it's going to be a new normal, right? अगर हम लोग गोलमाल जैसी फिल्म, अगर हम लोग 300 लोगों का क्रू होता था, so now suddenly that crew size is going to become 1/3. So अगर 80-100 लोगों में वो शूट करनी है, तो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? So that again is a big challenge in front of us. So all of us are getting geared up to accept the new normal, as they say. Let's see how it goes.
So आप आप बोल रहे हैं कि you guys are doing a fantastic job. मैं आपको बताता हूँ what we doctors think कि at least हमारे पास बाहर जाने के लिए काम है, हमारे पास काम है करने के लिए to get ourselves indulged. वरना खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है.
हम लोग का वही हो रहा है.
I've been talking to my family. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Pradyumna, you're saying something. Yeah.
I've been talking to my family. My younger sister, she's totally frustrated. घर पे बैठ के कुछ काम नहीं है, बोर हो रहा है. Daily मैं वही सुनता हूँ, कान पक गए मेरे कि बोर हो रहा है, खत्म हो गया. At least we have something to do. So we feel ourselves lucky कि अच्छा ठीक है हमारे पास काम है, but the only
काम
thing
है,
which
काम
matters
है.
is personal protection, which we are taking care of during this pandemic.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm a
No, no,
localite. I stay in Nagpur only, so I daily, maximum of the time, I do up and down between my hospital and my home. So when I come back home, I just ask them, "अरे क्या किया?" तो बोले कुछ नहीं. And I was like, according to me, my life was totally normal. Okay, going to college and coming. And according to them, they get so irritated. And अगर उनको अभी बोला कि ये तो बस बोले अब नहीं घर पे रहना. Both younger sister and brother, they both have come down from Mumbai and Pune. उन्हें बोला पढ़ाई करो, बोले अब कुछ नहीं, बस हमें अब जाना है वापस. They have like irritated to the team level कि अब घर पे ही नहीं रहना है घर पे.
हाँ, exactly. You know, मतलब.
How are you dealing with it, sir? Like being at home, how are you dealing with it? Basically, like quarantine, हम लोग ने हमारे इसमें से बहुत लोग गए होंगे quarantine में because of having a contact with a positive patient. और मैंने देखा है being in quarantine is very very irritating. अकेले में एक जगह पे रहना and जो भी है. Yeah. So how are you people dealing with it? Like personally, how do you deal with it being at home? What do you think? What is your thought process regarding it?
See, honestly, when it started, ये लॉकडाउन जब शुरू हुआ तो हम लोग को लगा कि चलो 8-10 दिन की बात है, 10-15 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा, and then probably everything will be normal. But वैसा हुआ नहीं. The lockdown got extended. और जब वो extend होने लगा तो उसका थोड़ा seriousness फिर समझ में आने लगा. And somehow ना mindset आपका तैयार नहीं होता कि मुझे काम तो करना है. I probably want to write something, but your mind doesn't allow you to, because you're continuously thinking. There are suddenly so many news and messages about corona and COVID. कि यार ऐसे मत करना, वैसे मत करना, ये संभालना, that you're not able to focus on anything. It is only now, after like 2.5 months, that somewhere we are trying to focus on everything else apart from corona. Now all of us have somewhere accepted the fact that आज नहीं तो कल शायद all of us are going to get infected, so we just have to fight it, accept it and move on. But the moving on क्या होगा, like I told you कि अब shooting में अगर हमें सिर्फ 50 लोगों के साथ मिलके काम करना है and everybody wearing mask, तो अभी मास्क के साथ मैं और मेरी हीरोइन कैसे काम करेंगे, तो मतलब रोमांटिक सीन्स का तो थोड़ा सा टेंशन ही होने वाला है. सब भाई बहन वाले सीन्स कैसे आने of the COVID era. करेक्ट. तो 6 फीट की डिस्टेंस पे हीरोइन को रख के कैसे रोमांस करेंगे. So now we're trying to, and there are so many times जब हम एक सीन करने के लिए सामने आते हैं and कभी हीरोइन छींक देती है, कभी कोई मैं खांस देता हूँ, कोई और खांस देता है. तो अभी तो अगर कोई खांसता है तो ऐसा हॉरर फिल्म जैसा धाड़ सबका लुक चला जाता है. ओ बाप रे, ये
स्लो
खांसा, ये
मोशन,
छींका.
स्लो मोशन.
तो वैसा all that scenario, we are just trying to prepare ourselves mentally more than anything to make sure that ठीक है, these things are going to happen. We just have to take precautions and keep moving. But this lockdown has taught us a lot of things. Definitely a lot of things. So me personally, if you ask me, I consider myself a pretty changed man after the lockdown. Even the appearance is pretty changed. Lockdown. anyways, but it was lovely chatting with all of you.
Sir, I want to ask you something.
Yes. Patil, yes, go ahead.
I just wanted to ask you, as you belong to the Bollywood fraternity, what do you think Bollywood should have played a role in COVID crisis?
What sort of role Bollywood should have played
in helping us deal with COVID crisis?
So it's specifically doctors or
no, from your side, help from Bollywood.
So Bollywood, I'll tell you, whenever there is any kind of crisis, Bollywood actually is the Bollywood guys are the first guys to step forward and do something about it. So whether it is monetary help or making a video or creating awareness about it and telling people. So even when this thing happened, Bollywood guys were the first ones to step forward. So all of us, in some capacity, whatever in capacity we can, we try to reach out to people and help them. So, for example, right from our staff members to people working with us, our backstage workers in theater, or certain organizations that we were already supporting. So all of us were trying to do all of that, and we're still trying to do that, especially the whole creating awareness factor. So every authority will first come to a Bollywood thingy. It is only during Corona that some people thought about Bollywood, कि Bollywood को भी कोई problem हो सकती है, और actors और technicians को भी कुछ दिक्कतें आ सकती है. ये कोरोना के वक्त ही पहली बार किसी ने थोड़ा सोचा. But otherwise आज तक कोई भी crisis आते हैं, जो कोई तूफान आता है, कोई floods आते हैं, तो somehow everybody runs and tells Bollywood guys कि अच्छा आपको पैसे निकाल के देने पड़ेंगे. सबको ऐसे लगता है कि हम लोग ने ऐसे मनी प्लांट्स लगाए हुए हैं, और अच्छा ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये झाड़ खाली करो, ये झाड़ में से निकाल के दे दो.
वो तो है.
तो वैसा just because we are seen in front of the camera, तो सबको ऐसा लगता है कि the glamour world is something else, but it is not always that. Whatever is projected on screen is a completely different image from what you could be having personally. Having said that, we try to do our best in whatever we can do, and we'll continue to do that, because somewhere we are the mirrors of the society. Whatever happens in the society, we just try to project that on screen. Yeah. So somewhere we feel responsible that we should do something more for our people. Somewhere Bollywood ka conscience, I will very proudly say that pretty much is in place. The conscience of the good conscience of Bollywood is pretty much in place. So they will always come forward and do whatever they can in their capacity, and that's what we try to do.
I completely agree. Even now, a lot of celebrities and on camera and behind camera, they've been doing a lot of work for their own industry people, because it's not just about the health crisis, right? It's a social crisis, an economic crisis. So like Shreyas said, that a whole lot of people are helping each other. They have donated to doctors. I know a lot of celebrities have poured in a lot of money for all the PPE kits that we have. So those of us raising funds, we do know that. And a lot of them don't want to be named and don't want to be told, they don't want to show how much they're doing. And like Shreyas said, Bollywood has always been very conscious about helping the society in general and all of us. So they have a lot of love for us, I think. And of course, but we are greedy people, and we're always going to demand more. Just like we wanted so much from Shreyas today. I promised him half an hour, and we've been keeping him engaged for the last 45
So
minutes.
one last question.
Yes.
If you allow me, please. Yeah.
Yes. Go ahead.
So it's a very simple question that you have been working since so many long years, and you have your own experience in your professional and in your personal life. So it's a question did you have any point in your life when you thought we have to give up? Now it's enough, now I can't do it. And that point you reach that you feel like you have to give up, but then what did you do that you didn't give up and you just moved on? What was the main thing? What was that inspiration or your motivation that you kept on going to do whatever you are and whatever you are right now in your life?
So the points that you mentioned of one sec. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So the points that you mentioned, of times जब ऐसा लगता है कि यार this is not really working out, and I need to look for something else. This is not helping me, not working out in my favor. ये बहुत बार होता है, and कोई भी actor के life में every Friday night is a new night for us. जब हमारी film release होती है, so there are a lot of these hopes and aspirations that you have, and if the film works, great. But if it doesn't, then there's a tremendous amount of heartbreak that happens, a lot of stress, a lot of frustrations, and then you tend to blame people कि इसको film मेरी समझ में नहीं आई, ये क्या, ये critic ऐसा review देता है, इसको तो अक्कल ही नहीं है, वगैरह वगैरह. But there are times when you feel really low and you feel that you want to quit. But remember, during those times, of course, there are a lot of these positive statements that, the night is darkest before dawn. You think of these lines, and there's always a signal that you get. I personally look out for those signals. So there is always some friend that will walk into your life, or some cousin who will walk into your life, and probably, they give you a new twist of life. So to give you an example, when I did get my first film Iqbal, so just before I got Iqbal, the phase in my life was complete shitty. I was down and out. People had in the Marathi industry had written me off, and they said कि यार he's done with, ये अभी और कुछ नहीं कर सकता वगैरह वगैरह. And but I said, yeah, this is the only thing that I know. You know, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा नहीं था कि now I'll get back and I'll prove it. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. The thing is, this was the only thing that I knew about. और मैं ज़्यादा बाकी कुछ जानता नहीं था, but performance करना जानता था. And I said, if I keep focusing and if I keep doing, one day will be mine. I follow one simple philosophy in life, that if you want to score a century, then the first thing that you do and you make sure that you do is that you remain on the pitch. You do not lose your wicket. You know, ऐसा होगा
Just like Rahul Dravid.
Correct. There will be a couple of maiden overs, you know, but then you will get those balls that you can hit for a 4 and a 6. So wait for that ball. Wait for that time. Time हर एक के साथ अच्छा भी करता है, गलत भी करता है, but it's a circle, you know. ये पृथ्वी जैसी गोल है, घूमती रहती है, तो वो घूम के टाइम आपका वापस आएगा. Just remember that thing कि आपका टाइम आएगा. Just wait for that. और जब आएगा, तभी मारो चौके और छक्के. किसने रोका है आपको?
Thank you so much, sir.
That positive.
Hello, sir.
We're going to say a quick bye to you. And if anybody wants a last word, now's your chance. Otherwise, I'm going to end this meeting now.
Hello. Hi, sir. This is Dr. Advaryu, sir. So my earphones are not plugging in. That's why. This is Dr. Advaryu, sir. Hi, sir.
Yes. Hi.
Hi, sir. My earphones were not plugging in. That's why I came to Dr. Nilkant's room.
Oh,
so, yeah. But I'm listening to everything that we have been going on this year. Sir, how are you, sir? Big fan, sir. Since
Thank
your first
you.
movie, sir. Listening
Thank
out
you
to
so
all
much.
the chats, I feel so nice, sir.
Thank you.
Also, sir, you motivate us, sir, by coming here, us in front of us, sir. That's a big motivation for all of us. All of us. Yes, sir.
Thank you. But
Sir,
you guys
we
are my
working
motivation.
very hard
Yes.
since the month of February, sir, and always we will
I
keep
know.
doing that, sir. We get a lot of inspiration from you, sir. So thanks for coming, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Pleasure.
देर से
chatting with
बोला,
all of you
मगर
guys.
बहुत अच्छा बोला.
Ah.
Sir, and
that-
if you permit me, I can sing a song, sir.
Yes,
it
go
will be
ahead,
ending
please.
note, sir.
Yes. Please go ahead. Go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. Sir, Nilkant sir, join, sir.
अरे
दो दिल मिल रहे हैं.
क्या दो दिल कितने अच्छे लग
दो
रहे
दिल मगर चुप के सबको हो रही है. हाँ, सबको हो रही है, मगर चुप के हो दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुप के. Thanks, sir.
चुप. सुपर. बहुत अच्छे यार.
नागपुर वालों में तो टैलेंट भरा पड़ा है.
हाँ यार, सीरियसली. मतलब क्या ढूंढा है तूने, मजा आ गया.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was
भाई
wonderful.
बहुत अच्छा लगा यार.
Thank you, Rakshita ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
chatting
Thank
with
you,
all of you.
Shreyas sir,
Thank you so much.
for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Wishing all of you all the best. You take care of yourself. And
Thank
keep
you.
doing whatever you're doing because you guys are the best.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
You guys also
Thank you,
stay
sir.
safe. You both are in Mumbai. Stay safe
Yes.
and stay happy.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, Shreyas sir, for your time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you.
Bye.